captain on the bridge.
All crew to the assembly area.
Keeping watch.
Helm aport.
Captain, the target has been captured. Visual lost. Establishing visual contact. Hit confirmed.
The enemy has been destroyed.
Keeping watch.
Captain, the target has been captured. Port the helm. Half ahead.
Establishing visual contact. Enemy target eliminated.
Establish visual contact. Captain, the target has been captured. Fire at the enemy. Target hit. We've been discovered. Assume your positions according to the combat schedule.
Keeping watch.
The target destroyed. Point capture sucks. Missile launch that target.
I see a hit on the target.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Stop engines. Establish visual contact. Fire at the enemy. Activate air defense systems.
Establishing visual contact.
That's a hit. Torpedoes standing by.
Keeping watch. Our ship is under enemy attack. Establishing visual contact.
The target is within range. Missiles launched.
I see a hit on the target. Keeping watch. Establishing visual contact.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. That's a hit. Target destroyed.
Keeping watch.
Target hit. Establish visual contact. Use air defense systems. Stand by for action. All hands, battle stations. Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Stop the engines. Fire on command. The target is within range. Activate air defense systems. 25 knots ahead. Warning! Enemy is capturing combat points. Use air defense systems.
Prepare to fire. Hit confirmed.
Missile launch that target.
Establishing visual contact.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Establish visual contact. The target destroyed. Fire on command.
Keeping watch.
Unit 5, assess the damage. Combat Unit 5, fight to save the ship. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Missile launch that target. That's a hit.
We are under attack. Damage reported.